Hello and welcome to Dazzle Rebel Rides. This is just a quick video to cast comment on the news that Polaris have stopped production of Victory motorcycles. Now, rather than put out a knee-jerk reaction, I thought I'd wait and see how this was reported in the press and what kinds of feedback the story had from the general public. Now, I have to say, by and large, the American press has been very, very kind to Victory and lament the loss of an innovative and quality motorcycle brand. The UK press have been a bit more matter-of-fact about it, but then that's hardly surprising because most British motorcycle journalists dismiss anything that isn't a cutting-edge adventure bike or a hooligan track supreme. Public feedback in both the States and the UK is understandably mixed, with some owners venting frustration and anger, while others understand that Polaris cannot continue to develop a brand that failed to make anywhere near the impact on the motorcycle market that stablemates Indian have done in the past few years. Highly aficionados are trolled in many comment sections, and even though, as one American publication puts it, without Victory there would be no Milwaukee 8, and the 2017 Street Glide would be near identical to a 2007 model. It's true. There'll always be differences of opinions, but I've seen some downright stupid comments from people saying anything from Polaris are in trouble and that the Indian brand will be next, and even that Donald Trump is the reason Victory has been culled. I mean, that's why the bottom half of the internet should always be taken with a pinch of salt, which is why I've read and reread the press release issued by Polaris, and I've come to the following conclusions. Number 1, existing Victory owners don't need to panic sell their bikes. Polaris will support current models for at least the next 10 years with parts, and as with any cult motorcycle, you can bet someone will step in the field of manufacturing of parts after Polaris stop. Number 2, UK dealers will support the Victory motorcycle brand alongside Indian pretty much indefinitely. So that means your 5-year warranty will be honoured by Polaris Europe, and dealers will still be able to service your bike after this period. Number 3, it was a business decision to cull the Victory brand. Even though Victory was starting to gain better recognition in the UK, the brand had failed to penetrate the market enough to warrant Polaris holding on to 2 motorcycle companies. Octane aside, the current Victory brand was due an update, and that means putting a lot of cash into research and development. With the global sales figures Victory was returning, it didn't make sense for Polaris to invest more money into the brand when they already have Indian motorcycles which have made a significantly higher impact on the cruiser market. It has been hinted that the money saved will be reallocated to developing Indian. So there we go. I can understand the Polaris reasons for culling Victory because I can see the business sense in doing so. For me though, I would have liked to have seen them merge the Victory brands with Indian, in essence making Victory, say, a performance brand of Indian like AMG is to Mercedes or Alpina to BMW. With EBR failing to inspire confidence and brand stability, America is crying out for its own sports bike brand, and Victory were looking set to take that mantle. By merging the brands, the Victory models could have been a sports platform alongside performance editions of the cruisers. Another option would have been to make Victory the cut price Indian. Much like the Octane is based on the Scout, a new Victory range could see the Thunderstroke 111 utilised in a base level stripped back big cruiser. Knock off the bells and whistles of the valance fenders, cruise controls, etc., and bring big bore Victory bikes with the TS engine at a similar price to the current Victory cruisers. As for what happens next, Polaris have said that it will take about 18 months to slowly disassemble the Victory business platform, and the current Victory stock is expected to sell over that time. No news yet on discounts, but it could also go the other way. If there's enough demand to buy a Victory because they're a rare motorcycle, used prices may increase, which means getting a deal on a new bike will be difficult. We'll find out how this plays out over the next few months, and as I return to regular motor vlogging in spring, I'll keep you posted on this story alongside other motorcycle related stories throughout the year. So if you like the vibe, be sure to subscribe. Leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts on Victory closing, and give a thumbs up if you like this video. Take care.
folks.